Hello, gentlemen. Greetings and welcome back to our channel, where we discuss all things masculine. As I open the video with, hello! Here, let me put on a voice real quick. Today, we're going to talk about something that every guy wishes they had. Hollow cheeks. We love sculpted cheekbones that give us a godly appearance. So take a pen and some paper if you're ready to start shaping your face so that it goes from chubby to finely shaped. Okay, I'm not doing that anymore. Before we dive into all the juicy stuff, let me remind you to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Unless you want to have a face like a potato for the rest of your life. Do you want to look like a potato? I didn't think so. I'm just kidding, but really, subscribe. And with that, let's start. Step 1, suck it up, Buttercup. I'm aware of your thoughts at this point. Suck it up? What does that even mean? Well, let me tell you, one of the simplest and most efficient methods to achieve hollow cheeks that you've been dreaming of is by sucking in your cheeks. I know, I did it in school when I was in the 3rd grade, and it still works. Hence, purse your lips and tuck in your cheekbones as though your life relies on it. Hold it for a short while and then let go. You'll see a difference right away if you perform this workout 10 to 15 times daily. Step 2, chew like you mean it. I don't mean to chew gum like a cow, though. I mean, really chew your meal. You gotta exercise your jaw muscles when you chew your food properly, and this helps to tone your face. Therefore, when you're eating, take your time, truly enjoy each bite, get those chompers chomping. It'll also aid with digestion, making it a win-win. Step 3, get your cardio on. Indeed, exercise is pretty crucial if you want to get those hollow cheeks of your dreams. Particularly cardio is fantastic for losing weight and sculpting your face. So get up off the sofa and start running, cycling, or even just going for like a really fast walk. You will start to see a difference as soon as you start to exercise for at least 30 minutes each day. Step 4, stay hydrated. Water consumption is vital for your general well-being. I shouldn't need to tell you, fellow human being. Do you drink water? I drink water. Yeah, crazy. But it's also great for developing hollow cheeks. Dehydration can cause your face to seem swollen and puffy. Hence, to keep your face appearing toned and limber, make sure you're consuming at least 8 to 10 glasses of water each day. Step 5, embrace your beard, man. If you have the ability to grow a beard, embrace it. In fact, a well-kept beard may assist to accentuate your jawline and give your face a more defined appearance. Hence, by growing facial hair, you'll be a little bit more confident and manly, and you make it tidy and groomed, and then you're good. Don't forget the tidy part. I'll punch you. Step number 6, get some rest. Your body needs sleep to replenish and heal itself. And also, it's crucial for developing those hollow cheekbones, so yeah. No, but on real talk though, sleep deprivation makes your face appear weary and swollen and just kind of sick. Hence, to maintain your face appearing young and toned, make sure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Step 7, watch your diet. The things that we put into our body matter just as much as the things that we do with our body. As a result, make sure your diet is balanced and full of fresh produce, lean meats, and whole grains. Avoid processed meals and sugary beverages since they might cause facial swelling and irritation. Step number 8, try some facial exercises. Mewing, I think. Anyways, a fantastic approach to tone and shape your faces with facial workouts. Try the fish face, the happy fish, the puffy cheeks, amongst other exercises. Suck in your cheeks and lips like you're creating a fish face to do the fish face. And release it after about 5 seconds of holding it. 10 to 15 times then. For the smiling fish, open your mouth as wide as you can while maintaining your grin. Then tuck in your cheeks to resemble a fish face. After about 5 seconds of holding, then do it 10 to 15 times. And then to get rid of puffy cheeks, blow air from your lips into each cheek for 30 seconds. These workouts can be done anytime, anywhere, as long as you can breathe. Step 9, consider fillers. It could be time to think about fillers if you've tried all the aforementioned methods but aren't getting the desired results. You can use dermal fillers to accentuate your cheekbones and get that desired hollowed out appearance. It's a more expensive and intrusive choice, so do your homework and pick a reliable supplier first. And that's it, my friends. These are 9 methods to quickly create hollow cheeks, but keep in mind that results may take time and consistency to observe, and results may vary. So don't give up if you don't notice a change right away. The most essential thing is to appreciate your face. Embrace your natural characteristics, you beautiful bastard. Because a man's confidence is ultimately the most attractive thing that he can wear. Except for you, Steven. Your shirt is actually looking pretty... No? Okay. No one named Steven here? I'm not funny? I should keep going? Okay, thank you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comment section down below. Lastly, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our latest videos.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I gotta go.